So today we got on a plane and went to Reno, Nevada for the PTG Convention, but our plane was super late, but it wasn't that big of a deal because we were able to hang out in the airport a little bit. We eventually got on the plane at 11 p.m. and we landed at about 12:45. Super tired, but check out these games in the casino. That was kind of new for us. Got on an Uber, got to the airport, but we didn't get to our hotel till 1:30 a.m. No biggie, got some sleep and got to the event in the morning, and we are already enjoying our trip. So today was the first day of the Piano Technician Guild Conference in Reno. We got up really early and started setting up the booth as soon as we possibly could. After that, we were able to walk around a little bit and see all the other exhibitors. A lot of our friends were here. We got to meet a bunch of our students were here as well. Super exciting. I also attended a class by Delfondrick on soundboards, which was very interesting and to be honest, a little over my head at some points. After that, we got to go out to dinner with IPR, which is a piano rebuilder in Mexico that we work with. And we got to have some really good oysters. That was really fun. I don't get to have those too much in Arizona. And now we are ready for the next day, day 3 at the PTG Convention. We started our day in the convention hall. Our booth was actually right across the way from C. Bechstein, which is some of the highest end, most amazing pianos in the world. I got to get a tour of all their instruments, and this big piano, this concert grand, was probably the best piano I've ever played in my entire life, right next to Ravenscroft for sure. After that, we were lucky enough to go out to lunch with Brigham Larson. They're a big piano retailer in Utah, and somebody we definitely look up to. They're an awesome family. We also got to go to a class on aural tuning by Mark Sarasano from Canada. That was super interesting. After that, Brigham came back down to the exhibit hall and we did a little video for their store. I'm constantly on camera, I feel like. For dinner, we actually just stayed in the hotel and ate at one of the quick little cafes. After that, we had some drinks with Jude Revley, which is one of the top rebuilders on the East Coast, somebody we went to Reno Academy with. All in all, we had an awesome day, and now it's time to get some shut-eye for tomorrow. So today was day 4 for the Piano Technician Guild Conference in Reno, Nevada, and I got to start my day by going to one of our instructors' classes. Jason Castle taught an awesome class on voicing. As you can see, he's a very high demand instructor. His class was completely full, and I learned so much from this class. After that, we had the leadership luncheon, which again, one of our instructors, Chip Meyer from Reno, USA, actually sponsored. He paid for all of this food for all of us. After lunch, we went back to the exhibit hall and we did a bunch of interviews. I'm sure you guys are gonna see that with all of our friends who are exhibiting. It was really fun to catch up with everybody, and do it on camera was even more fun because you guys will be able to be a part of that now. After the hall closed, all of the PTA instructors all went out to this really nice dinner at Anthony's Chop House, which was this really nice steakhouse in the basement of the casino. And we balled out. It was so fun to kind of spoil everybody and just kind of order everything on the menu and just kind of celebrate the fact that we just launched our brand new course in May that we're super excited about. So today was the last day of the National Piano Technicians Guild in Reno, Nevada, and we are pooped. We started our day in the convention hall, exhibiting some more and meeting some more students. After that, we helped IPR, another rebuilding company, load up some pianos on some skid boards so that they didn't have to wait for another moving company to pick them up. Then we got to go to a phenomenal Thai restaurant that was actually owned by a piano technician from the Utah chapter who moved to Reno, Nevada. This food was absolutely amazing. In the evening, we attended the Golden Hammer Banquet, which is a huge celebration celebrating the end of the convention and passing the torch to the new Golden Hammer recipient. This man got up and did a very nice speech. He's actually an instructor at another school called North Bennett Street School, which is an in-person piano tuning and repair school. After that, we hung out with some more piano technicians in the lobby, had a couple drinks, but then went to bed because we had an early flight in the morning. All in all, we had a great convention, and we love going to these things and meeting more and more piano technicians and seeing our industry grow.